Okay, I'm back, and it's time for Greenbelt. It's raining. Now, in my school, a lot of people got stuck on the Greenbelt, and some people are still stuck on it, and we've been doing this for a long time. So yeah, not good. So, I'm going to help you here today. So, let's get right into clapping the rhythm. But before we do that, new things to learn. Let's start with G, wait, no. Ta, 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 ti, ti, ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, ta, ti, ti, ta, ta. Okay. G, E, A, G, E, G, E, A, G, E, G, E, A, G, E, A, G, E, A, G, E. Now on the TT, E to the A will probably be the hardest one in the book on the TTs. So let's ba, 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 ba. Blah, 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 blah. Now let's play. Now, one more thing I want to go over. It's not like it's not it's okay. So just like always, I'm Evan, and I approve this message.